Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change door lights on a Chrysler 300. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry components without scratching your vehicle's finish. A small flathead screwdriver will assist in disconnecting wiring harnesses. Of course, have your new door light module ready, and a clean cloth will be useful for any minor cleanup during the process. These items will ensure a smooth and efficient replacement. Next, we will remove the door panel. Begin by locating and removing the single screw often found behind the door handle or in the armrest pocket. Then, using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry up the window switch panel and disconnect its electrical connectors. Work your way around the door panel's edges, gently prying to release the clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame, being mindful of any remaining wires. Now, let's replace the light module itself. With the door panel removed, you will easily spot the existing door light. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it free. Then, gently unclip or unscrew the old light module from its housing. This usually involves a simple quarter turn or a few small clips. Take your new door light module, connect its electrical harness, and then securely clip or screw it into its designated spot on the door panel. Finally, it is time for reassembly and a crucial final check. First, ensure all remaining electrical connectors are reattached to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, then firmly push around the edges to re-engage all the clips. Reinstall the single screw you removed earlier. Reattach the window switch panel, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Lastly, test all window functions and, most importantly, verify that your new door light illuminates correctly when the door is open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.